I'm gonna quickly head off to the coffee shop. We have a busy day today, but we have CPI today, so I'm kind of expecting this week to be a bit more of a quiet trading week. But I mean, I said that, and then I took a trade yesterday, which was a New York continuation trade, and it's cool to see some members also taking the same trade. And I have members who are not even trading ICT, and they still took that trade. So it just goes to show how, don't matter what strategy you're in, we can still find that common ground and still take similar trades. Coffee shop time, and then I have over there. And then I have a welcome call with a member, which I'm very excited to actually, get to know everyone and pray over this meeting that I've got. I think it's very special to just actually get to know people one-on-one and not just it be a number, oh, member number this, or oh, a subscriber from over here. It's no joke, right? Doing life with people, it's a serious thing and I take it very seriously. So I'm just gonna quickly do a forecast now. Let me zoom out into the 1 hour, and basically I've got this 4 hour fair value gap, midpoint of that consequent encroachment, buy side on this high here, and obviously buy side up here. Also refined, there was a 4 hour order block and a 4 hour FVG, which I refined to the 1 hour because that's where drawn liquidity may be. Today, tomorrow, we don't know. Obviously this is short term because we do know that there is a bigger picture. If we just zoom out, there's way more other PD arrays, but if we just focus on this, but we're aware of what higher time frame is, then we can understand where price may head to. My most high probability scenario is literally just coming down here and then pushing up. But we do have CPI today, so whatever the market provides in terms of if it wants to go up now, then cool. Will I get involved? Yeah, if it's a continuation, but at the same time, I'm very careful when CPI comes. You can see that we're reacting off buy side right now. If we just go to the 15-minute, we've also left this fair value gap. We broke here, so this, you could take these down candles as a bullish order block. Will I take it? Probably not. All right, let's get this video rolling. Hello, hello. Hey guys, good morning. This part of the video is sponsored by Athletic Greens. AG1 has become such a convenience for me, and it is just basically a nutritional drink that helps support immunity, gut health, and energy. And basically in each scoop, you get 75 vitamins, minerals, all that good stuff. And it's all in one convenient scoop. Literally all that goodness in one drink. And now this is what is so important, is that when I take caffeine or like coffee, I get a massive spike in my energy. However, I actually get a crash. But when I take AG1, I've noticed that the energy is a lot more consistent, so I don't actually feel that crash. Now, in terms of taste, it actually tastes pretty damn good. But for me, it kind of tastes like lemon and lime, and it mixes so well with water. But look, I'm currently on this like monk mode thing, so I'm really dialed into health, fitness, wellness. So if you guys want to go check it out, the first link in the description, go try it out. And if you do, let me know what you think. Okay guys, as you saw from the B-roll, I'm basically taking part in a form of monk mode. I'm doing monk mode 10 with the Life Club. And right now, as I'm recording this, I'm on day 5 of 10. And every single time I kind of challenge myself, put myself in these uncomfortable situations, I always do it with intention, because there's no point doing things like monk mode, 75 hard, project 50, if there's no intention, if there's no purpose behind it, but you're just doing it to tick off and say, yeah, I did this challenge. But really what it is for me is really just being able to choose a struggle or put myself in an uncomfortable situation. So for me, that's like taking a cold shower straight after I wake up. But I want to be able to rewire myself to actually take on these challenges head on, take on this discomfort, knowing that ultimately that's what's going to help me grow. Think about it like this. You've got your goals, you've got your dream, you've got your vision, let's say to become a consistently profitable trader, to become funded and pass your challenges. And the moment that something becomes inconvenient, you want to step back, you want to back down, you want to stop. And that's just not the way that I want to be behaving, right? So for me, it's like I'm setting a standard for myself that each time that something becomes difficult, inconvenient, hard, then I'm just gonna tackle it and I'm just gonna get it done. And now I understand there'll be a small percentage of people that'll be like, yeah, sounds all great and stuff, self-development, but how does this actually relate to trading or making money? People, they have put money, profits on a pedestal. But again, like this channel's not about that. And that's why I preach so hard on integrity, on character, on values, on making sure that you continuously discover yourself over and over and over again, not just for your benefit, but for your community, for your family, for your close friends. That's why I hone in on these things. That's why I'm so passionate on it. Ugh, damn guys. I am basically looking for my new whoop band that I ordered, and it says it came, but I can't find it. So we've got this new mailroom situation now, so they come in here and they put it in these racks. All right, we have secured the goods. Okay, so I want to unbox what just came through the mail. Basically got a whoop band. This is more of a wearable than it is a watch. I'm excited to kind of see what the hype is. Got both of them on, or like a Power Ranger sort of thing, having a whoop band on one and an Apple Watch in the other. I might actually get rid of the Apple Watch and just keep the Whoop watch. But I'm excited to kind of use it and like use it to track things like my heart rate during cold showers, because those are things and those are variables that I can control, right? I can't control the market, but I can control my performance, my mental state, my stress, and that's just sort of a good way for me to track, measure, and ultimately improve. You guys have to give the video a thumbs up for Miss Bob, because she's just like the cutest. Yes. It's like acting. Looking over the higher time frame charts, the weekly, the daily, getting ready for a new week and going into a new month. So I'm kind of doing a bit of ASR. This is one way I review the market and like kind of my progress in terms of forecasting or being able to see different scenarios. On the B-roll, you'll see that it says that the final line of defense is basically this mean threshold of the daily order block. I feel like if we start breaking through that and continuing, and obviously then breaking through sell side, this big sell side here, the obvious sell side, then it kind of like highlights to me that, okay, we could be going to bearish territory. So I think it's really important to actually spend some time on your weekends. You know, if you're busy on doing your 9 to 5, then you may have family. If you weren't able to really sacrifice a bit of time and prioritize your trading during the week, then your weekend, honestly, there should be no excuses, even if it's just for 20 minutes, just to sit down and be like, what happened throughout the week? What happened on Monday to Friday? But personally, I believe that if it really matters to you, you're gonna make it a priority, you're gonna make it happen, you're gonna make it work. So I was just thinking about a bit of like my February reflection. So we're literally in the second month, or wait, entering the final month of the first quarter. Like that's crazy how time's just kind of going quick. And I really pray and hope that you guys are taking time to actually reflect on this year, because I know what it's like, right? Your energy is so high going into a new year, and then life happens and we kind of forget to just stop, pause and think about, okay, how was that week? How was that month? How has the last 2 months been? Celebrate those wins, celebrate all of that, but also then do the thing that feeds your soul. And you'll be surprised that it's not going to be that 30k payout, that 50k payout, but it's going to be seeing your siblings, seeing your family, spending time with people you love, challenging yourself, coming out of your comfort zone, and yeah. So I guess this is just a little bit of encouragement to just make sure you're taking time out to reflect on your progress, reflect on things that you could have improved, and yeah, just continue to keep that fire going, right? Thank you for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. God bless.